welcome to my channel, and today I am here, and if you actually notice me from Kitty Cat Sienna and Sienna Mills, then welcome back. Wait, can I just do some adding? Intense thinking, adding time. All 25 people, if you're here, then welcome back, my lovely. Okay, I'm gonna take away. Okay, I'm gonna show you two of my squishies. They're in a slime thing. Oh, look, there's some slime. Look how hard this is. And here's the first squishy. It's a little pizza. Squishy. And then I have this really rare one, and it's so cool. It's like a little marshmallow with a s'more. They said it was Macron, but I don't know. Or Macron, or whatever it is. Yeah, so those are my squishies, and I just wanted to say hello. Wait. Hello. Just about to finish my milkshake. Yeah, it's disgusting. Okay, anyway, so there's also this thing that I really want to remove it out of. I can show you. Yeah, hard time getting up on the windowsill in what is anyway, so my dogs are out there just quickly, no. You can see some food, that's because they pooed. You want it? Look at it! He wants it, that's so badly. High five! I'm about to go down and introduce you. Oh my god, all my new dogs. You guys haven't seen my first dog anyway, so all my dogs. So I am here. Hello. And my doggos are waiting at the door. Come on, doggos! All the doggos! Okay, so I'll show you my doggo first. Okay, wait 1 second. So my doggo just turned off. Okay, if you know BTS, put down in the comments. Why not? My first doggo, which is not actually my doggo, that's my sister's. I really need to trap him. Oh, no, I can't trap him. Okay, so I have the two doggos that I need trapped in my room. Okay, so let's get back to business. So my first doggo used to fit in the palm of my hand, which is very rare, because I have such a small hand. His name is Pip, but call him Pippy because he's adorable and he's small. The next dog, this dog, however, never used to fit in the palm of your hand. He kind of fits in the palm of your hand right now. Not exactly, but you have to like hold him. Sassy girl. In wedges. Lay down. Okay, yes, that was an update on my life. Goodbye, my lovelies. Oh wait, also 1 second. I really want you to follow my Musical.ly too. Well, my two Musical.lys accounts. Sensational Senna 12 and Summer Kawaii 999. If you don't know how to spell that, I will just get a quick piece of paper. So here it is. It's written backwards for you because you can't see it as it's proper. I'm going to show you my fail. My two fails actually. First fail, backwards, and her capital, and second fail, So, yep, I have another not Snapchat, I have a Instagram, but I don't know what its name is, so, anyway, bye my lovelies. Actually, comment down a name that you think I should call you. Anyway, I'm gonna say